Good morning, everybody. My gosh, it's quite chilly out here this morning. Even the girls are standing around taking a look. Now, there they are, but now, if you notice, if you look real closely, we got two new girls here. See the lead hanging off that one cow? That's number one. And then we have, where's number two? Oh, in there someplace. She's hiding. I don't know where she is, but she's there someplace. Anyway, quite a chilly morning this morning. It wasn't so long ago where all this field out here was absolutely white. In actual fact, we'll take a little gander over here and we will see the frost. And the chickens are out. Oh, by the way, our newest arrival. This is Lucy, I think her name is. She is about 1 week old. Isn't that right, little girl? You gonna say hello to the world? Hello, world! Oh, I want to have some milky. I want some milk. I want some milk. This is what they do, look. She is ready to have her morning bottle. Ah! There you go. Ah! And then this is Princess. Hey, Princess, how are you? Because she behaves like one. And this here is Trevi Joe. So that's all the kids. They're my kids right now. All the other kids are gone, so I replaced them with cows. What a deal. Okay. So now what we're gonna do, you just get dizzy, go around in circles. We're gonna go over to our chickens. Round, around, round. Okay. Here we go. This is the video after the video of tragedy. We have her covered. We've secured our girls. And all is well. Now what I'm going to show you here, you see the sun hasn't hit the ground yet in this part of the farm. See that? Now for those who live up north, of course, this is no big deal, or somewhere else in the world where frost or snow is a daily occurrence this type of year. But here in good old sunny Florida, it's quite a big deal. And we have up here Lily. Let's go and see what Lily's up to. Lily's going to have a calf, or should I say calves, this coming spring. What she's doing is she's happily munching on, I would call it her breakfast. Right, Lily? Lily is a cross between a Jersey and a Norwegian red, and that's why you get all that coloration in her. There are the girls. And out. Usually I bring the their food with me. They're out there saying, "Where's our food?" That's what they're saying. Where's the food? Where's the food? Okay, little girls, so what we're going to do here is we're going to give these girls a pretty little hairdo. And the only hair I have to do it with is her tail, so what we're going to do is give her a little bit of braid. Please don't let them out. You want to lock her statue, please? Okay, so here we go. We're braiding the hair. Now, what's this girl's name, Oksana? Huh? Amy. So Amy has come to the farm from a neighbor of ours, and their life is taking a little different course. So, she's looking at me. She's saying, "What are you doing to my tail?" I'm nearly finished, Amy.
Wait, Amy.
Okay, hold on. Here we go. There we go. Okay, you can let her out. Every girl should have braids. Now you may wonder, how do you know how to braid, Bart? Well, once upon a time, many, many years ago, I actually was a hairdresser. Believe it or not. There you go. We need to iodine you, girl, and iodine you too. Okay, here you go, Daisy May. Okay. And did we get a hold of your one here? Did you do her? Yeah. Okay, we're all good. Remember I was saying, maybe 2 or 3 video installments ago, we're making big change, big decision here in our home, on our homestead, on the farm. Well, Oksana is doing part of that right now. So we're going to go in there and see what she's up to. What are you up to, girl? What's your project for today?
I don't know, renovate the bathroom.
Oh my gosh. She's renovating the bathroom. It's like a cloud of smoke in here. So what have you exactly done here, darling?
Grind.
You grinded the tile down. What did you use?
Grinder.
Can I see it? Lift that thing up. That's nearly as big as you, Oksana. So you did that, and what do you do to? What do you exactly do to the floor? Let me get a close up here. It looks like she just indented the floor with all sorts of marks and scrapes. I guess we'll see what it looks like. She's already done the bath or did the shower over there. Look,
Yeah.
this is what she did over there, and she's working on the tile. How's it going?
Working on. Still a little bit there.
Oh yeah. Do you see that, folks? I don't know if you see that.
That's not end. The only start.
Taking all the. What are you doing exactly?
I'm scraping.
Scraping.
I have vinegar first for 3 hours. Stain. Taking away
So what are you taking it off?
lime.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Have you seen that? There you go. So you put vinegar on. How long did it stay for?
2 hours. 2-3 hours.
And how are you gonna make them shiny?
I'm going to have special product for that.
Do you know what that product is?
Yeah, I forgot how the name.
That helps the folks.
Yeah, and then I'm going to do white gray.
That's pretty cool. Are you gonna do the grout varnish?
Brown white. Yeah.
Okay, cool beans. On to another part of the project.
What are you doing?
I want to see what you're doing. get out the grinders and grind your tile. We'll see how this works out. I'm sure it'll be okay. Fingers crossed. That's my beautiful. There she is, up to no good. So we will continue with this journey in the next video. But this one we're going to close out a little bit of the farm, a little bit of what's going on inside. I do appreciate you watching. I ask you to please hit that thumbs up. It helps with the algorithm to get other people to see the video. And also, as always, did I say subscribe? If I didn't, subscribe. And we'll see you on the farm.